In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Google Pay balance to your bank account. We'll walk through the exact clicks on the Google Wallet website, make sure you pick the right account, and share a few quick tips so your money arrives where you expect. This guide assumes you already have a Google Pay balance and a bank account that's been added and verified in your Google Wallet. Start on your computer or phone browser and go to wallet.google.com. Sign in with the Google account that holds the balance you want to move. Using the correct account matters because balances are tied to the profile you're signed into. Once the homepage loads, you'll see your wallet overview with shortcuts and a left or top navigation bar depending on your screen size. From here, choose payment methods. This section manages your saved cards, bank accounts, and balance settings. Inside payment methods, look for the area labeled Money in Google Pay. Click it to open your balance details. This page shows how much is currently available to transfer along with recent balance activity. If your available balance looks lower than expected, remember pending transactions or holds won't be transferable yet. Next, click Transfer Out. This action tells Google Wallet you want to move funds from your Google Pay balance to a linked bank account. On the transfer screen, enter the amount you want to send. You can type it in or use the suggested amounts if shown. You can't transfer more than your available balance, and some regions have minimum or maximum limits per transfer. If you plan to make multiple payments today, consider leaving a small cushion in your balance so other transactions aren't declined. After entering the amount, select the verified bank account where you want the funds deposited. You may see more than one bank listed. Pick the one that matches your intended destination. Verified means the account has already been confirmed with Google Wallet, so transfers can proceed smoothly. Double check the bank name and the last digits shown to avoid sending money to the wrong place. When everything looks right, click Transfer Out to confirm. You may see a brief confirmation screen summarizing the amount and destination. Once submitted, the transfer begins processing. Transfer times can vary by country and bank. Many standard transfers complete within a few business days, while some may post sooner. You can monitor progress and view receipts in your wallet activity. And that's it. You've moved money from your Google Pay balance to your bank account using the website. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along click by click.